Lumutang is what if Vice President Sara resigns? Itutuloy pa rin po ba yung impeachment trial?
Sa akin there are two specific prayers in the impeachment complaint. One is the removal from office, and two is the perpetual disqualification to hold office, no? Uh, kung magre-resign ang ating Vice Presidente, apparently the issue of removal from office is already moot and academic dahil sinong tatanggalin mo kung nag-resign na ang Vice President. However, with respect to the second prayer, her perpetual disqualification to hold office, no? I think and I believe that we need to continue the impeachment trial and reach a determination of guilt to be able to determine whether or not the penalty of perpetual disqualification will be meted as well.
So anong reaction niyo, ma'am, doon sa mga nagsasabi na ang target talaga is to prevent VP Sara from running for president in the 2028 elections dahil pwede pa pala siyang mahabol for perpetual disqualification?
Well, everybody is entitled to their own opinion. That's what I can say, no? Basta in as far as the House is concerned, ang atin pong representation dito is anchored on the grounds we raised in the articles of impeachment and the evidence which are already present for the purpose of supporting the same. And kapag ang pinag-usapan po natin, betrayal of public trust, culpable violation of the Constitution, these are too serious to consider the perpetual disqualification as significant matter to be resolved as well in the impeachment trial.
Kung posible bang mapalitan